Hi, Wendy.
Hi,
Hello, Wendy. Good to see you again.
thank you.
How are you? You didn't come
I
today. You didn't.
know I'm very sick.
Oh my God, what's the matter with you?
I am the flu. I have the
Ah,
flu.
you have the flu, but
Yes,
normal flu or just very severe with fever?
very severe.
With
Yes.
fever. Oh my God, I'm so
Mhm.
sorry. Have you taken something?
Eh, just tea because
Okay,
I
tea.
I am allergic.
No way, you are allergic to
Yes,
pills. Oh God.
yes,
Oh, this is more difficult then
yes. I have to eh, soportar.
to stand.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, so, what kind of tea are you drinking?
Ginger,
Ah, okay, that's good. Ginger.
chamomile.
Chamomile and lemon.
Yes,
Okay, very nice. Very nice combination, huh?
yes.
And for the fever, are you taking something for the fever?
Acetaminophen.
Okay, that's the most common,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. And you have to work or
Yes. I am at my work.
gosh, with fever and with the flu, it's very hard to be there working,
Yes.
right? Oh yeah,
Yes.
I understand you. I understand you. Do you have runny nose?
Yes.
Huh.
But it's water
Mhm.
coming out all the
Oh my
time,
God. Yeah, yeah,
and
because
that is a little annoying.
yeah, it's like a little bit like uncomfortable, right?
Yes.
What kind of job do you have? Do you have to be in contact with people or you work in an
Eh,
office? Just you and more colleagues, but no with people in front.
Actually, at my work,
Uh-huh.
are just my boss and I.
Ah,
I
okay.
am his personal assistant.
Excellent. Ah, okay. So it's much better.
Normally,
Mm-hmm.
yes, normally I don't see much people in
Mm-hmm.
the day.
Many people. Okay.
Yes,
That's it. Wow, that's very hard. Imagine, well, that's good because you are with no one else, right? Like
yes.
public or customers or calling by phone, etc.
But I have to deal with drivers
Mm-hmm.
because I work at Grupo Los Andes. It
Okay.
is
Ah,
about
okay.
transportation, but
Transportation
I have to deal
with
with
them.
them.
Only
Yes,
men.
yes, I am the only girl here.
No way, really.
Yes,
Is it what do you think? Is it good or bad? I don't know
it's
because some
bad.
people say that it's like much better to work with men.
Um, I'm not sure because I have to. In the past, I had fights with drivers
Mm-hmm.
that are they have a lot of no sé cómo se dice confianzudos.
They they were all the time extremely confident with you.
Yes,
Yeah.
they
Yeah, I know. I
tell me
understand.
yes, and I don't like that, and
Yeah.
sometimes I feel a little scared
Okay. Yeah.
because I surrounded by men all the time.
Threatened. You felt threatened.
Yes,
Yeah, I understand. Wow, a lot of guys there. That's good. It's nice that you have a little space only for you. Yeah, being sick, when you are okay, no problem, right?
yes,
Uh-huh.
yes,
But when you are, for example, in my case, when I have the flu and I am the teacher, I have a lot of people in front of me. Wow, that's a little bit
yes,
desperate.
yes.
Yeah, because sometimes I have to blow my nose, but I feel like uncomfortable and everybody looking at me. Gosh.
Yes, I know.
I understand how you feel. I was like that like a month ago, more or less, and believe me, it was very, very annoying. Having a
Yes.
flu is the worst thing that you can feel.
Mm,
I
yeah.
hope you can get better. Okay,
Thank
and
you.
get well soon. Tomorrow is the last class because we have vacations for a week.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Ah,
So tomorrow we're gonna stop. Okay. Yesterday we started and now we continue right with this. And maybe we can have a little bit like a kind of review from yesterday's class. Since
okay.
since you didn't join the class yesterday, I think it would be nice to refresh, okay, your vocabulary in this case. Wendy, yesterday there was Carla and Jose in the class, just two people. We were discussing a little bit about adjectives to describe places, and we learned adverbs, right? The position of adverbs in order to intensify adjectives. Here I have a kind of list, okay, a short list of adjectives to describe places. Because today, the objective for today is to describe places using words for contrasting, okay? We're gonna contrast information when we say something good versus something bad, or something bad and something good, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna start with this part of the vocabulary, and I have here adjectives to describe places. Maybe you can help me to read them, okay? And just in case you make a mistake in pronunciation, I'm gonna help you, okay? To
Okay.
correct the pronunciation, right? That's it. Go ahead.
Mhm.
Let's start with the first column here.
Okay. Alive,
Excellent.
amazing,
Mm-hmm.
beautiful,
Yes.
bright,
Mm-hmm.
calm,
Calm. Very good.
colorful,
Colorful. Good.
creepy,
Creepy, like a cemetery.
yes, crowded,
Crowded.
deserted.
And deserted. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Any questions related to meanings, vocabulary here? If you have
I think I understand
all of
everything.
them, excellent.
All of them,
With the
yes.
second paragraph, second line. Okay, go ahead.
Different,
Different. Very good.
dry,
Mm-hmm.
enchanted. I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay.
Fresh,
Enchanted. Fresh.
uh,
Uh-huh.
hot,
Hot. Very good.
incredible,
Incredible.
interesting,
Mm-hmm.
magnificent,
Magnificent.
modern.
Okay, very good. Modern, very good. Enchanted. Okay, here. Like,
Enchanted.
have
Okay.
you seen a movie with the name of the movie is Ghost? Have you? It's a very
Eh,
romantic movie, but a little bit sad.
yes.
Have you
It's
seen the
about
movie?
Rapunzel, right?
Huh?
No, it's about
Rapunzel?
Rapunzel. No.
No, no.
Ah,
It's a
it's
movie
not the
very.
animated movie.
It's about a guy. He is in love with a girl, and they are very in love, and
It's
they are
Patrick
going on.
Dempsey, right?
And Patrick Dempsey, exactly. And
Okay.
somebody like a thief kill him.
I was I was thinking about the animated movie.
No, 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 for
It's
kids.
about Rapunzel.
Okay, yeah. I was thinking about the other one, the old one.
Okay.
Yeah, that was like, I don't know, in the 80s, maybe 80s, or at the end of 80s, almost 90s. Ghost, that is the name.
Yeah.
So the name of
Um,
the name of the song, the soundtrack is listen. Okay, Enchanting Melody.
okay.
Okay, that's
Ah,
it's quite nice. I like it. Okay, fresh, hot, incredible, interesting. Any questions with the vocabulary?
um, no, I
No.
don't think so.
Okay, very good.
No.
You understand everything. Good, very good. Let's
Yeah.
go with the third line, please.
Fairy fairy tale like.
Like, very good. This is a whole word, okay? This is a complete
Yeah.
word, fairy tale like. For example,
Fairy
when
tale,
you go
I
to,
understand fairy tale, but
uh-huh,
I don't know what it means, the whole word.
okay,
Fairy tale like.
for example, when you go to, if I don't know if you have been to, um, what is the name? Disney World. So, you
Yes.
know, Disney World or places similar to Disney World, they are like, wow, decimos, es que aquí este lugar es como un cuento de hadas, right? This is like fairy tale,
Ah,
parecido como algo irreal, algo así como cuento de hadas, right? Fairy tale like, okay? Yeah, for example, if you
okay.
go to Apopa, you cannot say that as a fairy tale like, right?
Yes.
Okay, I just
It's most creepy, a
a
creepy
kind of
place.
at night. I
Yeah.
don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that would be like that. It just come to my mind a cemetery.
Yes.
No,
Or ah, ¿cómo se dice?
a what?
Bosque.
A forest.
Wood.
Now the woods. The
The
woods of the
woods.
forest. Exactly.
The woods at night.
At night. Yeah, kind of creepy.
Yes.
Yeah, you can
Yes.
feel like monkeys are jumping over your shoulder.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is fairy tale like is like more, this is beautiful, right? This is something nice. That's it.
Uh-huh.
But for example,
Okay.
it comes to my mind. I have never been there, but I have seen videos and in the movies that the Disney World, that would be like a fairy tale like place, right? Okay, like
Yeah.
like a fairy tale. Okay, continue.
Maybe my fairy tale like will be about Harry Potter.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Exactly. Harry Potter. You like this kind of books and movies?
Yes, but
Narnia?
not. I like Harry Potter, but I
Okay.
don't like the Lord of the Rings, the
Okay,
Hobbit.
I
That,
understand.
that
So maybe just
yes,
this kind
that,
of, no, not this kind of movies, but specifically Harry Potter is good for you.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
I don't like fiction that much.
Okay,
So,
okay.
but I remember that I went to, long time ago. I remember downtown. Now downtown is very good with the La Catedral and the museum, and everybody goes there, right? But in the past, that El Centro, what we call, was really, really dangerous and kind of
Yeah.
not so good. So, but I remember I went there with some partners from the university, and I went there to buy books in English.
Mm-hmm.
And I paid about 25 cents per book. I
Mm-hmm.
remember I had $3 with me, and the guy who was selling the books told me, "Hey, do you want to take more English books? Because in the past, the English books were not that, in fashion like now. Everybody wants to buy a book in English. But in the past, this guy told me, would you like to take these books? I mean, take them all." And I took like 6 books with me for $1. And I said,
Mm-hmm.
wow, for $1, yeah. And when I came here to my house, I saw the titles, everything. And wow, it says Harry Potter. The first
Do
book.
you have the 6 books?
I don't have them now because when I some years ago when I was, because that was when I was studying at the university. I was in 1999. Can you imagine?
Mm-hmm.
Long time
Mm-hmm.
ago. So about like 5 years ago, I went to, well, I saw a lot of books in boxes here in my house, and because I had already read all of them. So
Yeah.
I decided to give these books to my students, the students that were more like, outstanding, the students that really love reading and they really wanted to learn more. And I remember I took the boxes to my work, and
Uh-huh.
all the students were like, "Hey, teacher, you have Harry Potter." So I had a Harry Potter lover, and I gave her 2 books.
Ah.
Yeah, and I gave them all. I have Harry Potter, I have Dracula, Stephen King's
Wow.
Animals, Cemetery of
But
Animals.
that was very cheap.
Oh my Lord, I was like, maybe because there were about 6 books, maybe, I don't know, like 20 cents each.
Yes.
Yes,
Or
15.
less,
Yeah,
like 18 cents, 17
yeah,
cents, how
exactly. Yeah,
like
because
that.
the guy that was selling, that was in the kiosk, uh, he told us, nobody comes here to buy this kind of literature. So you are the only ones who come here. So I remember I bought my first dictionary there. My first dictionary was 30 cents, English dictionary.
Well,
So yeah, good story. That's what I told you. I don't like the movie, but I have read the books. So they are really
okay.
interesting.
And I didn't read the books,
Uh-huh. And then what
but
happened? You didn't like it?
I just saw the movie and I
Ah.
fell in love with the movies
Yeah,
and
with
I
the movie better. Okay.
watch one over and over again.
Oh, really? So you really love the saga.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
I like.
Good news for you because the woman is writing another one.
Yes.
Yeah, I was watching the news and then I just realized that the girl started to write more. So good for you because a Harry Potter lover, right? Okay,
Yes.
great, very good. Let's continue with the other one. It's mystical. Okay, mystical.
Mystical,
Continue.
ancient,
Ancient.
ancient,
Ancient.
majestic,
But not the
impressive.
majestic, but not the the cinema.
Yes.
Okay. Continue.
Uh, impressive,
Mm-hmm.
spacious,
Mm-hmm.
dazzling,
Okay. Dazzling. Mm-hmm.
dazzling. Okay.
Dazzling. This is like, do you know the meaning for this word?
No, I don't know.
Like deslumbrante.
Okay.
Yeah, when you go, for example, when you go to a place and the view is dazzling, wow, the sun coming out. Okay,
I never heard that word
dazzling.
before.
Okay, that's it. I remember this word in a book. I read a book, and their author or the writing wrote, her eyes were dazzling. And I was
Um,
like, I don't know qué es eso, dije yo. So I looked for
too
it,
much.
and then, sus ojos eran deslumbrantes. So, oh, that's interesting. Okay, and evocative, right?
Evocative. Yes.
Evocative. This is
I don't know
okay.
what it that means.
That is, like in Spanish, algo evocativo, right? Um,
No sé ni
for
siquiera qué
example,
significa en español.
algo algo sugerente, sugestivo, right? Okay,
Okay.
suggestive, right? Like this, for example. Okay, very good. Those are adjectives to describe places, because then you can use, for example, these words that we are reading for later on, okay? Because I want you to describe a place, okay?
Okay.
Let's see. We have more here. Let's see. Continue with the other part, please. Mysterious.
Mysterious,
Mm-hmm.
natural, noisy,
Yeah.
perfect,
Very good.
pleasant,
Mm-hmm.
quiet,
Quiet.
remarkable,
Very good.
shiny,
Shiny.
silent,
Silent. Good. Next column.
stormy,
Mm-hmm.
strange,
Mm-hmm.
terrific.
Mm-hmm. This is terrific, right? Just to make sure that you don't know the wrong meaning. This is something good, okay?
Yes,
Something good.
I heard that word when they when somebody express emotion. They
Exactly.
that was terrific. Maybe a
Okay. Wow, the
movie
movie
or a
was
concert.
terrific, but the movie was really good, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I just remember one day a student came to me so sad porque él había puesto un examen, terrific job.
Mm.
Me dice, teacher, ¿y por qué me pone 10 o 9.8 creo? 9.8, y si usted piensa que hice algo malo, me dice. Y yo, how come? Le digo, si es que me pone que mi trabajo fue terrible, me dice. Terrifico. And I said, oh, no, don't misunderstand the meaning. I said, terrific means wonderful, okay? Outstanding. So that's it, terrific. Then we have the other one. The other one is negative, right? Ugly.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Ugly.
Continue.
Unique.
Unique.
Unusual.
Unusual.
How?
Unusual.
Unusual.
Unusual. Excellent.
Okay.
Unusual. Continue.
Warm.
Warm. Uh-huh.
Wild. Windy.
Windy. Very good.
Tranquil.
Tranquil. That was like in Spanish, right?
Yes.
Tranquilo. Uh-huh. That's
Uh-huh.
peaceful, tranquil. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Continue. Peaceful.
Traditional.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tropical. Harmonious.
Very good.
Fresh.
Fresh. Great.
Sensational.
Sensational. Mm-hmm.
Romantic.
Romantic.
Magical.
And magical. Okay, very, very good. A lot of words that we are studying can be used for describing, places in El Salvador or out of El Salvador. Okay, that's it. So now I'm gonna explain, okay, how we're gonna do with this topic today, right? Here, if you can see here, Wendy, we have these conjunctions. We have the word and, we have the word but, we have though, the pronunciation is though, and we have however, okay? These conjunctions are used to contrast information, okay? For example, you say something good, right? About something, for example, you say, oh, El Salvador is, yesterday we were studying really and everything, El Salvador is really dangerous. Okay, but not just negative aspects, right? You have to also, what you have to do here is to give like positive information too, right? Or negative information. So for that, we're gonna use conjunctions, and these conjunctions are the ones that we're gonna use to contrast, right? I think, and I understand that and, well, this is so easy because in this case, and is not for contrasting. This conjunction is to add information.
Add information.
Okay? Additional information, okay? For example, it's a big city and the weather is nice, okay? For example, Wendy, where do you live exactly? Here in San Salvador, Lourdes, no? In San Salvador, right?
In San Salvador.
San Salvador. Okay, very good. Can you please tell me something related to Soyapango that you can use and? Remember, this is a big city and the weather is nice. Both information is very good. I mean, it's positive, right? Okay, go ahead.
I have to say something positive.
Well, something positive or something negative. Let's start with the positive.
Okay, I'm going to try to find something good about it.
It is.
Soyapango.
It's good. Yeah, I don't live there, but I have been there for work. And
Okay.
yeah, it's difficult to find something good, but
Yeah.
I know that there is something, right? There is something. Okay,
Yes.
go ahead.
Soyapango is big city maybe.
It's a big city. And
have a lot of malls,
okay.
supermarkets. It's very accessible.
Okay, very good. And it's very accessible. Okay, very good. We're gonna do something here. I'm gonna share with you this part and I'm gonna write the answer, I'm gonna write the example that you're telling me. Okay, can you please repeat? Soyapango, you say, right? Soyapango is a big city, right?
A big city.
Then, Soyapango is a big city, and then we say, and you mention something, and has, you said?
A lot of malls.
A lot of, oh yeah, this is true.
Yes.
Believe me, oof. countless of moles. Okay, look at this. Pay attention to this one and try not to do it again. Here we have the word and, right? This is the one that we're going to be using today in order to join. Estamos uniendo información, joining information, right? Soyapango is a big city and aquí, okay? So what we have to do here, we have to start again with a subject, okay? If you're talking about Soyapango, then we're gonna use it, okay?
It
That's it. Soyapango is a big, it's a big city, okay? And it has a lot of malls, right? That's it. So here, be careful to add the subject again, okay? Because you're talking about the city of Soyapango, right? That's it. Now, this is for adding, and I think this word is very easy for everybody because you use it, since when you start learning English, you use and for everything, right?
Yes.
Pero ahora vamos a contrastar, right? And we use this one, but. But, as you know, is pero, but has like a synonym. And the synonym is this one, though. It's pero, okay? Though. The pronunciation is though. So, now tell me one sentence, Wendy, related to Soyapango, something good, and then something bad. Okay.
Soyapango is maybe the same, a big city, but
it's a big city.
But it is a lot of traffic.
But there is a lot of traffic. Excellent. Okay, this is a sentence using but, okay? Now we're gonna learn to use this word though, okay? So look what I'm gonna use here and what I'm gonna do. Okay, look at that. Soyapango is a big city, okay? That's it. There is a lot of traffic, though. ¿Qué hice, Wendy? What did I do? Y aquí dice, Soyapango es una ciudad grande, pero hay mucho tráfico. Igual, okay, the number one is similar in meaning to the number two, but I am using a different structure. So, what did I do there? ¿Qué hice ahí? Right?
A lot of traffic.
Can you infer the grammar rule that we're going to use?
You change the word, but I don't understand the meaning of
the meaning. Okay, but is pero, I said, right? Though, in this case, va a ser también pero, okay? But what is the difference between but and though? But is in the middle of the sentence. Is between the sentence number one and the sentence number two. But this is but, okay? Though is different. Though means pero, but the difference is that here you're gonna put both sentences together. Coma, second sentence, y el do siempre al final. Always at the end. Okay?
And in Spanish?
In Spanish is the same. Soyapango es una gran ciudad, pero hay mucho tráfico.
It's the same.
It's the same.
Just the use of the word change the place.
In position, exactly. Okay? That's it. So, ahora que tú lo mires en una lectura o escuches que alguien dice, oh, for example, people can say, for example, other people can say like, other example, you know, she, okay, que es lo más común que dicen los hombres, she's so beautiful. But dicen, siempre hay un pero, but she's So
She's crazy.
angry. Okay. Okay, but she's so angry, right? That's it.
Yeah.
Decime la oración, right? Tell me the sentence, but ahora quiero que uses do.
She's so beautiful.
Ajá, Shrek iba a escribir. She's so beautiful. Ajá.
She's so angry, though.
Excellent. Coma, she is so angry though. Very
Just
good. Excellent.
when you say you make a pause.
Exactly. She's so beautiful. She's so angry though. That would be the like the intonation that you have to use when you use though. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It
When you
sounds
say
like a dog. The
oh,
pizza crust.
okay, yeah, like duh. in the intonation is gonna tell you what kind of
Yeah.
dog person is using.
Yeah.
For example, this is very common when you talk to American people. You know, in the United States, some people don't use but they use do instead. So when you are, for example, yesterday we were talking to Jose and Carlita about El Tunco Beach. You know, when people go there, foreigners come to the beaches, you know, to surf and everything. And I asked them yesterday if they had had the chance to talk to an American person. They said that they have never had the chance. Now the question is for you again. So have you had the experience to talk to an American?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes, I have.
Mm-hmm. When you talk to them, you know, there are some phrases that they use, kind of grammar that we don't understand. We are like, okay, I got the idea, but I didn't really understand
Yes.
word by word, right? Uh-huh.
Yes.
Exactly. So that was, it happens because they use this kind of words sometimes. So la palabra do no es tan común hablarla normal en básico, right? When you say, for example, you know, teacher, I like English, but I don't have time to practice. So otra persona, tú vas a escuchar y va a decir, oh, you know, I love English. I don't have time to practice it, though. Y ahí termina, right? So what is the meaning? It's the same.
It's the same.
It's the same, but the position is going to be different, okay? That's
Okay.
it. Otra palabra que es igual, que es contraste, is however, okay? However, that is like sin embargo, right? That's it. For example,
By the way, it's the
Mhm.
same meaning.
No, by the way, no. By the way, it's like, well, a propósito, okay, when you want
O
to
sin
add
embargo.
something else, okay? No, that is
No.
however.
Okay.
Okay, by the way, it's like for example, estábamos hablando, what is your favorite movie? Oh, I love, teacher, I love Harry Potter's movies. Oh, really? Y yo de un solo te digo, ay, by the way, I have a book about da. It's like to interrupt something because you want to add information that is kind of similar to the one that we have been discussing, you know? But in this case, though, okay, is for contrasting, right? That's it. You're saying something good, and then you say something bad, or vice versa, right? Okay. Now let's have another example. Okay, let's have another example. What can you tell me about El Salvador? Tell me something bad, and then you tell me something good. This is like, okay, primero viene el garrote y después la sobada. Okay.
El Salvador is a very small country.
Is a very small country. Okay.
But it has
excellent
beautiful beaches.
Okay. Beautiful beaches. Very good. Okay, that's it. It has beautiful beaches. Something, you know, something not too good, like small, but beaches are great. Excellent. Now, tell me the same sentence, but now I want you to use do, please.
El Salvador is a very small country. It has beautiful beaches.
Excellent. Okay. Is a very small country. Okay. Then when you are writing, you have to write a comma, okay?
Okay.
When you're speaking, you have to make a pause.
Make a pause.
Ecuador is a very small country. It has beautiful beaches though, right? Okay. It has beautiful, okay, beaches though.
Beaches
That's it.
though.
Exactly. Okay. It has beautiful beaches though, right? That's it. So this is another way that you can use for contrasting information, okay? For using the word but or though. In the explanation that I gave you here, oh, Jose is here. I haven't realized it. I'm so sorry, Jose. Jose is with us today. Okay. So look at the other one that we have here. Okay, for example, it's a big city and the weather is nice. It's a big city. It's not too big though. Okay, so this is like at the end. Then we have but. It's a big city, comma, but it's not too big. Okay, it's grande pero no tan grande, right? When we say so.
Yes.
And the other, it's a big city. It's not too big, however. Si tú no quieres decir though, you can use however.
It's the same use.
It's the same, solo que aquí ya no lo traducimos como pero, sino que, sin embargo, no es tan grande, right? Okay.
Yes.
For example, you say, hey, do you have a boyfriend? Oh, yeah, teacher. Oh, my boyfriend is handsome. Well, he's not so handsome, however, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's like es guapo, pero no tan guapo, teacher. Así como
DiCaprio. No para tanto.
No para tanto, exactly, okay? That you can use that expression, okay, that phrase in order to say that, para tanto, to compare something, right? So these are conjunctions that we use there because they are in the platform, okay? They are for, you know, for joining. So here I have in the part B, but this section, we have two conjunctions. For example, in the number 1, I have and I have but. The number 2, I have and I have though. So if you pay attention, there are 2 sentences. What I want you to do is to put the sentence together using the conjunction here, but you have to choose the correct conjunction, right?
Right.
Let's start with the number 1, Taipei. Okay, read the sentence, please.
Taipei is very nice. Everyone is extremely friendly.
Very good. So, positive idea? Yeah, very nice, right?
Yes.
Everyone is extremely friendly, positive idea. So, what is the conjunction that you're going to use? And or but? And. So, can you please put it together, join both sentences and using and?
Taipei is very nice and everyone is extremely friendly.
Excellent, very good. That is how you have to do it, right? Okay, so remember here, and then we have a comma, okay?
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
So when you use but, you usually have a comma, right? In the platform, I think you will need the comma, okay? Don't forget it. So, number 2, the streets. Read the number 2, please.
The streets are crowded. It's easy to get around.
Very good. So, are crowded positive or negative?
I think it's negative.
It's negative, okay. And what about the second one? It's easy to get around.
It's positive.
Positive, okay. So positive. What are you gonna use? You're gonna use and or you're gonna use the conjunction though?
I think so.
Though, excellent. Because you have a positive or negative, negative and positive, okay? So it's contrasting. Okay, now put it together, please.
The streets are crowded. It's easy to get around, though.
Though, very good, okay? So let's do something because I wanna make sure that you are using the correct punctuation. Tell me where to put the comma, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
The streets are crowded. It's easy to get around though.
Okay. The comma? Where is the comma?
The, the streets are crowded. It's easy to get around though.
Do, ok, very good. Así como que fuera una D y una O, Wendy. Do.
Though.
Okay, very good. Do, very good. The streets are crowded, comma. It's easy to get around though. That's it. Good. Uh-huh, very good. That's it. Let's continue with the number 3. Read the number 3, please. The weather.
The weather is nice. Summers get pretty hot.
Okay. What do you think? Is positive, positive and negative, or negative and positive, or both are negatives or both are positive?
I think first is positive, and the second one not too much.
Okay, so what is the conjunction that you're gonna use?
However.
However, excellent. Okay, put it there, please, in the sentences.
The weather is nice. Summers get pretty hot, however.
However, okay, very good. The weather is nice. Summers get pretty hot, however. Okay, very good, very good. Number 4, continue.
Shopping is great. You have to bargain in the markets.
Okay, do you know the meaning of bargain?
I don't remember, but I don't know if it's something like crowded. No.
No, bargain is like when you, for example, in downtown, in El Centro, right? It's common because when you go to Simán o Zara, whatever, ya no anda diciendo, ¿qué crees que me lo da menos? Okay. Bargain, that's it. Okay.
Bargain,
so
yes.
Shopping is great. You have to bargain in the markets. Okay, so positive, negative, negative, positive, 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 negative, negative. What do you think?
I think it's positive, positive.
Positive, positive. Okay.
I'm not sure because I don't see that bad.
Well, you know, as Salvadorians, it's very nice,
very
right?
normal.
In common. Yeah, normal, completely normal.
But
Okay, go ahead.
I'm not sure.
Let's see how it sounds. Okay.
Okay, shopping is great, and you have to bargain in the market.
Okay, do it with the but.
Shopping is great, but you have to bargain in the market.
Okay, but you have to bargain. It sounds much better, right?
Yes, because
so
maybe in other country is bad.
It's not polite. It's not polite.
Yes.
Yeah, this is what I was going to tell you, right? In El Salvador, is something so common, and when you go to markets, when you go and ask for prices, even you touch the food, you touch the vegetables and the products.
Yes.
This is something so Salvadorian.
Hasta los mayuga uno.
Exactly, like you touch the mangoes, right? and people don't tell you anything. I want to share a story. I want to tell you something that happened to me. I had the opportunity to go to Mexico for my vacations for a month. So in a month, you have more time to, explore, more about the culture. And I remember I went to a tianguis. They call it tianguis. I don't know, but I remember I was there with my family, and I was there on one Sunday. And when I saw some products, I just touched everything and oh, qué bonito, le digo, ¿esto cuánto cuesta? And then Wendy sentí una palmada, pa, in my hand. And the woman hit me and said, if you're not gonna buy it, don't touch it. You buy it until you touch it until you buy it. And I look at my aunt because she is Mexican, so she lives there. So when I said, tía, y ella me dice, oh, I'm sorry, hija. Me dice, I'm sorry, hija, but this is the way we do in Mexico. And I said, no, tío, usted ya la regale. Y le digo, I'm sorry, le digo a la señora, sorry. And the woman was really mad. She was really mad. Siquiera me dijo, I'm sorry. My aunt told her, I'm so sorry, she's not from Mexico. Y dijo la señora, even though she's not from Mexico, she should know that you never touch somebody else, you know, merchandise. So it was like, wow. I understood. I understood that in El Salvador we have different culture, very different culture.
yes.
Exactly. So in this case, that we would take it like negative.
Yes,
Okay, but you have to
So it's
bargain in the markets. Yeah, and some people don't like to do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Personally, I don't like to do it with people that I know, and I see that they do everything for selling something, you know.
Yes, the old ladies
Yeah.
in the floor on the floor.
On the floor with fruits and vegetables, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I don't like to bargain. Okay, in those kind of places. Okay, great. Number 5. Let's see.
It's an amazing city. I love to go there.
I like to go there. Very good. Okay. So positive and positive, negative, negative. What do you think?
It's positive, positive.
Positive, positive. So what conjunction are you going to use?
And
Excellent. Can you please make it?
it's an amazing city, and I love to go there.
And I like to go there. Excellent. Very good. It's an amazing city, and I love to go there. Very, very good. Okay. So in short, we can say that when you are using, you know, conjunctions, you have to pay attention, because if it is a conjunction for joining information, you use and. Okay. And if you are contrasting information, you use but, okay, though, and however. The position for but is in the middle of the sentence, but the position for though and however is at the end, okay? And the meaning is the same, okay? That's it. Okay. Very, very good. Understood, Wendy?
I understand.
Excellent. Everything. Very well. Okay. Hey, believe me, I didn't feel the 45 minutes with you.
Yes.
Yeah, it was really cool talking, right? Okay.
Yes.
That was like
very entertaining.
Conversation class.
Yes.
Okay, start doing the exercises in the platform, okay? Because this is for section number 1, and with this topic, you can start, okay, doing the exercises, Wendy.
Okay.
I hope you get well soon, and tomorrow you can join us again, okay?
Yes, I hope so too.
Okay, very good. Have a wonderful afternoon, Wendy.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.